Welcome back. Your channel name. Step inside the world's most luxurious motorhome of 2025, the Rolls-Royce TerraCruiser, a breathtaking fusion of opulence, innovation, and automotive mastery that redefines road travel as we know it. Imagine a palace on wheels, stretching nearly 40 feet long, wrapped in a sculpted aluminum shell with signature Rolls-Royce elegance, adorned with a bespoke two-tone finish and the iconic spirit of ecstasy leading the way. As the doors glide open with effortless grace, you're welcomed into an interior that rivals the world's top luxury suites: Italian marble flooring, hand-stitched leather seating, rich walnut and carbon fiber inlays, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The driver's cockpit is a futuristic command center with AI-enhanced controls, panoramic augmented reality displays, and self-driving capabilities that allow you to enjoy the ride as a true passenger in your own motorhome. Step into the lounge area where a retractable 75-inch OLED screen emerges, flanked by a full Dolby Atmos surround system and voice-controlled climate zones. The TerraCruiser doesn't just offer comfort, it offers an experience. Move further back and you'll find a chef-grade kitchenette featuring Miele appliances, a temperature-controlled wine cabinet, and a digital pantry that restocks itself via your preferences. The bathroom is a spa sanctuary with a rainfall shower, heated floors, an aromatherapy infusion, while the master suite boasts a king-size bed, privacy-tinted skylights, and a virtual window system that can simulate any view on Earth or beyond. Hidden compartments reveal fine art pieces, rare bookshelves, and even a watch window built into the wall. And when it's time to step out, an automatic deck extends from the side with teak flooring and integrated fire pit for al fresco luxury. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile mansion, a statement of absolute excellence that showcases what happens when no limits are placed on imagination or craftsmanship. With the 2025 Rolls-Royce TerraCruiser, the journey becomes more luxurious than the destination itself.